I started as I do posterior limbal incision with some peritomy to prevent ballooning during surgery. And get some vision blue to enhance the contrast and make uh, Capsulorhexis a little bit easier. After that, I filled AC with viscoelastic and then made two side ports with MVR. I use sometimes microaxis forceps. Mostly I use uh, cystitome. So I do Rexis anti-clockwise. Uh, it's up to the surgeon choice. It gives me better control and it's easy for me to do on anti-clockwise as I have been doing it for long time. And so my aim was to have a Rexis of 5.5 millimeter, around that. Bigger than 5 is always better. Then hydrodissection and some hydrodelineation. I uh, press the central nucleus just to release the pressure, then move it little bit with my irrigation cannula. Replenish viscoelastic again a bit and start my phaco. My phaco settings are fixed. I don't use change modes during surgery. I have only two settings, phaco and uh, epinucleus removal settings. So in epinucleus I have less power, only 5%. In my regular phaco I use 40% continuous power and vacuum is 450. I do a small trench in the center and use my Sinski hook. This was not it. This is a little bit longer Sinski hook. It's like a chopper. We sometimes our staff provides me with this one. Sometimes Sinski hook. So anything which they provide is uh, I don't mind. Do surgery on with any instrument they can give me. So this was fairly a soft cataract, so did not take much time. Uh, the initial break was easy, and subsequently everything was coming quickly. So it took few seconds only to take this whole nucleus out, and then I resorted to removal of cortex with Simcoe cannula. I do use Simcoe cannula. I have been using it since long time, and for me it's more quicker than the uh, irrigation handpiece or bimanual. Subincisional cortex is always difficult to remove, so I can do it from the my right side, which is my dominant hand, right side port. So here I am doing the anterior capsular polish to prevent it from becoming opaque. Injected some viscoelastic again in the bag. This is Acris of monofocal lens, preloaded, and goes in nice and easy. I use my right side port to position the lens in the bag, and then use my Simcoe cannula to remove viscoelastic. So I do go behind the lens with my Simcoe to remove viscoelastic which is trapped behind the lens, because if you don't do that, the next day the IOP could be high, and it takes some time to resolve this intraocular pressure. And then I do resection, stromal hydration to close my all of my wounds. Just I go with running hydration, and just put a little bit, and then check my IOP. I like it to be around 25 millimeter mercury, uh, and keep it little bit higher side, and then check the leak. Our policy is to have a zero leak on the tip.